lead ya. Yes, man.
Oh, so they have this.
Yo, you ready that?
Long time in a Jenna, you have that?
Me have that.
No, you know a long more running pan them boy, you that like whole like ends I get shell, you know?
Not today. Not today. You hear me? Cancel all badness. You go to church with me.
But grandma!
Boy, if it's not your church clothes you have on, you're not going. So go on bed and put on your church clothes. And who is that out there with you? Errol?
Yes, ma'am.
Errol, your mother don't say you plan to shoot up people's place.
No, ma'am.
And why you not going to church?
Because me sick, ma'am.
Sick with what? Telling lies. Errol, go on over your yard, tell your mother to be and you put on your church clothes. You're coming to church with us. From why?
No, ma'am. I'm going over now.
No, Mr. Man, come go bed now.
Yes, grandma.
Oh, do not want to go to church for Christmas Day. Who want to do?
I'm going to be in here. Alright. See you at church.
Who want to shoot?